For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of struggling with expired food and wasted groceries? Do you find yourself constantly throwing away meals that were once fresh and delicious? The Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass is a revolutionary kitchen appliance designed to help you keep your food at its optimal freshness level for up to 14 days. But here's what surprised me when I first laid eyes on this product. It's not just about preserving food, but also about cooking with precision and ease. Therefore, as someone who's always on the lookout for ways to make my cooking experience more efficient and enjoyable, I had to get my hands on the Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass. But what really piqued my interest was its sleek and modern design, which not only looks stunning in any kitchen, but also boasts an impressive array of features that set it apart from other similar products on the market. What is the main difference between this product and others like it? Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. The Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass has a built-in sensor that tracks the temperature, humidity, and freshness level of your food, providing you with real-time updates and alerts when it's time to consume or discard items. This is not just a simple preservation device. It's also a cooking assistant that allows you to program precise cooking times and temperatures for various types of meat, vegetables, and even baked goods. You can even control the temperature from your smartphone using the accompanying app. But how does it really perform in real-world tests? I decided to put the Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass through its paces by using it to cook a variety of meals, including roasted chicken, steamed vegetables, and even homemade bread. The results were nothing short of astonishing. Not only did my food turn out perfectly cooked every time, but the freshness level feature also ensured that I was always aware of when an item was approaching its expiration date. This not only saved me money by reducing waste, but also allowed me to plan meals more effectively and avoid last-minute trips to the grocery store. But what about the taste? Does this product live up to its promise of preserving food quality? The answer is a resounding yes. My roasted chicken, for example, was so tender and juicy that it rivaled even the most high-end restaurants. And the steamed vegetables retained their vibrant colors and flavors, making them perfect for serving alongside any meal. So why should you consider spending a bit more money on the Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass? In my opinion, its numerous features, combined with its sleek design and exceptional performance, make it an investment worth every penny. Whether you're a busy professional or a home cook looking to elevate your culinary skills, this product is sure to impress. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some real customer reviews to see what other users have to say about their experience with the Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass. One satisfied customer raved about its ease of use and precision cooking capabilities. I was blown away by how easy this thing is to operate. Just set your desired temperature and time and it takes care of the rest. Another reviewer praised its ability to preserve food quality. I've tried other products that promise to keep food fresh for weeks, but nothing compares to the Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass. My groceries stay fresh for up to 14 days. It's incredible. While some reviewers did mention a few minor issues with the app and user interface, these were largely overshadowed by its numerous benefits. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a product that makes cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable? So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on this game-changing kitchen appliance. For the best price, click the link in the description to get your Cuisinart CookFresh digital glass today. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cooking skills or simply want to reduce food waste, this product is sure to be a valuable addition to any kitchen. So go ahead and give it a try. I promise you won't regret it.